friends. I am quite excited about this new project. This is a Holocron Fusion project. I designed 2 Holocrons with this purpose in mind. So this is my Jedi Holocron. This is my Sith Holocron. I'm going to merge them. Quite simply, it just means glue them together for this model. But this is sort of a diagram or diorama or diarrhea of one of my favorite TV shows, Star Wars Rebels. So in that series, they take 2 holocrons and they merge them together, and they create an object where it can answer almost any question, or like unlimited knowledge and all that cool stuff. So since this is for the good, then this is for the evil knowledge. So yeah, I ended up getting really interested in them. These are printed in dual extrusion. So I have I have like a bronze color, and then I have a clear color. And these have little insets. This one, there, and this one here. It's easier to see it this way. It has a little ingress where you can plop it in. This one sticks out a little, but that's just because of the shape of everything. So this one's blue, this one's red, and I'm gonna essentially just glue them like that and be able to take a picture of it looking like this. I even have a little stand for it already. So I got my stand and I got my podium for it. So podium's gonna go on the stand. Holocron's gonna go on top of that. And this holocron's gonna go onto that. And then once all that's done, I'll show you a picture right now. Go right here so you can sort of see the picture. So this picture sort of encapsulates what's going on. What's happening is that you have the 2 holocrons, and then you have a circle around the holocrons horizontally and one vertically of the little corners of the holocrons, which I have right here. However, the Jedi Holocron corners are substantially bigger than the Sith Holocron corners. It's just how it is. In the TV show, they sort of make those corners bigger than they are, just to make it look right in the scene. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that or not, but I am ready to put it together in its basic form. I might add some other effects that make it look really cool to photograph in the dark. And let's see how it goes. All right, so this is just going to be a basic assembly and then some pictures and stuff. So yeah. All right, that's it all put together. It's pretty simple assembly. Oh God, that looks so great. Can I zoom in on a specific spot? Bring this closer or something. Maybe I'll decrease the lights. Oh my gosh, look at that. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little show and tell. All right, so I think I'm gonna put the little corners on. Oh yeah. You can see the detail I put in there. It's a little difficult with this type of lighting, but you can see I put in a lot of detail in that. This one, no detail. This is just from the infill, but I spent a lot of time trying to get all this in there. Oh boy. Yeah. And then this is sort of the back end. You can see where I put in the LEDs. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. of me finally putting together my merging holocrons. Anyway, have a good one, friends. Friends, have a good one. Good one, friends. Friends, good one. Good one, all. All good one. I don't know. Anyway.